Jeez. Jeez. I don't feel like doing this. Hello there. Holy. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette, start hitting the phones here. Call that Judge Joseph Justice first. You ain't gonna get him. I might get what the hell's her name? Ellen Dacey. Oh, said she didn't give me a name before. I'm tired of dealing with this shit. Call her, then call. I guess I gotta call 3 judges today. I gotta call the cops. I gotta call the governor's office. Oh shit. I don't feel like doing this crap. This never ends. It never ends. I guess I'll just, as usual, just showcase to you that these proper channels are just all dead ends. I guess we can call the Florida bar again too. I was reading their code of ethics once again, look at their canons, which are their guidelines. These lawyers are supposed to do pro bono work. And that last little mousy lady I called, well, we don't work for free. I've been denied a lawyer. Totally denied a lawyer. People are like, oh, go to legal aid. They don't do frickin' criminal shit. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna double cross them. Let me cue this one up. How's our number? I don't care. Oh, jeez. 7. It's risky even calling these people. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. Absolute nonsense. Let's call this lady. Oh, I gotta call the prosecutor too. It's the last time I call these people. This is Judge
This is Ellen, Judicial Assistant to Judge Joseph Justice. I will be out of the office Monday and Tuesday, and back in the office on Wednesday, July 30th.
They never
Please
work.
do not leave a message. Please call back on Wednesday, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.
Please leave a message after the tone. When you are finished, you may hang up or press 1 for special options.
Alan, it's Tasha Teeling. I left you a message on the 16th of this month. I never got a call back. Got Joseph Justice as my judge for a case that's been going on. It's 176 weeks now for a first-time alleged misdemeanor. Something seriously wrong here, but I left you a message. I never got a call back. Guess I don't expect a call. I wouldn't expect a call back from you now either. Number is... Hope you enjoy all your days off. I need a day off from this criminal trial. It's been too long. 176 weeks is not normal. It's not justice. Alright, another message. What is today? 27? Almost 28. 2 weeks ago. She'll get back. Thank you. Call the prosecutor again. State attorney. Bruce Bartlett. What's that new prosecutor? No, not Daniel Hernandez. It's Christian Hernandez. Daniel Hernandez was my lawyer that I had for like 2 days. And some guy punched him in the face in court. How do you work this thing?
Office for Charlotte State Attorney, please hold.
I got some copyright thing for your dumb old music before. You're doing terrible. These are the proper channels, folks. I sent them emails months ago. They never get back to you.
Thank you for holding. How can I direct your call?
Christian Hernandez, please.
1 minute. Office of Bruce Bartlett, State Attorney. This is Caitlin.
Hi, Caitlin. I'm looking for Christian Hernandez, please.
Okay, in regard to what case?
I don't have the number off the top of my head. It's from 2022.
Okay, what's the defendant's name?
Teeling. T-E-E-L-A-N-G.
And what is your first name?
My name's Tasha.
Right, what is your first name?
My name's Tasha, too.
Okay, so you're the defendant?
I'm the attorney of record for the defendant.
Okay. Because I have Marie Marbury as the attorney of record.
No, that person's long gone. I've taken over.
Okay, so you're the defendant in the case, so unfortunately Mr. Hernandez is unable to speak to you.
This case has been going on 176 weeks. So an attorney can clearly, if I had a public defender, I've been appointed to represent myself, but I'm unable to talk to the prosecutor who's prosecuting me. And 176.
The only time you can speak to the prosecutor is in open court.
Yeah, that's not possible.
I apologize. I'm unable to transfer you to Mr. Hernandez. You can only speak to him in open court.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. How do we get around this?
There is no getting around it. That is
It's not a real court. They'll just put me in the second I get there. So, is there a law that you can cite or statute where I can look that the prosecutor is not allowed to talk to a pro se defendant?
It's
I have to call her back because the internet dropped out. Let's call them back.
Officer Scarlett, State Attorney, please hold.
I mean, dropping calls and satellite internet here. What the hell was her name? Well, this chat should be far away. I'm gonna go to open court without an attorney to speak to the prosecutor. I'm not legally trained. I've been denied access at every level.
Thank you for holding. How can I direct your call?
Hi, I was just on a phone with somebody over there, and my internet dropped out, so I get disconnected. I'm trying to get a hold of the prosecutor, and I'm being told that
What's the case number?
their case number. It's from 2022. Last name's Teeling. I've been forced to appear pro se, and I'm being told.
What is the case number?
Give me a second. I'll look it up.
Thank you. I'm going to put you on hold for a minute.
All right, I got it right here. $176 weeks. 176 weeks. Just wait two more seconds. I'm gonna case work from my bed. Don't even go to the office. If I don't answer your comments, I'm just showing.
Thank you for holding.
Hi, it's 2022 MM 000966 MM AXWS.
Okay, and what is your name?
It's Tasha Teeling.
What is your name?
Tasha Teeling. I'm the
So
defendant.
you are the one that the case was against.
Yeah, correct.
You'll have to speak with your attorney.
I don't have an attorney. They denied me an attorney.
Well, let me see. Hold on. It is showing Marie Mabry as
No,
your attorney. in here.
She's been gone almost a year now. I've had,
Okay,
I've had
so
12
all I can do is
attorneys.
transfer you to the clerk's office, and you will have to speak with them.
All right.
So give me 1 minute.
Okay.
This is Nikki Alvarez-Souls, Pasco County Clerk of Circuit Court and Controller. We are honored to serve you. You have reached the Civil and Criminal Courts Departments.
Visit our website at www.pascoclerk.com to take advantage of many online services. Did you know that if you need to come into the office, you can check wait times and get in line online? Visit our homepage and select Get in Line at the bottom of the page. For quality assurance, your call may be monitored or recorded. For jury, press or say 1. For criminal and appeals, press or say 2.
2.
For traffic, press.
You are the next caller in the queue. Your estimated wait time is about 5 minutes.
Good afternoon, Officer Nikki Alvarez Solis. This is Jamie. How can I help you?
Hi, Jamie. I was talking to somebody before, and my internet dropped out, so I lost the call. I was looking to get a hold of Christian Martinez. I've been forced to go pro se, and I've sent multiple emails over the months to try to get this case resolved. It's been going on 176 weeks, and I'm being told that the prosecutor cannot speak to me, but I'm not represented. I'm representing myself.
Okay, so this is a criminal case?
Correct.
Okay, let me get you to that department just a
All right,
moment.
thanks.
Your position in the queue is 7. Your estimated wait time is about 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's saying 20 minutes. So prosecutors choose to only speak in open court as policy. While they can't speak in many state attorneys on the internal policies not to discuss substantial matters outside of court with pro se defendants to avoid accusations of coercion, misconduct, or misrepresentation. So it's policy they won't talk to me. And that's violating my 14th Amendment right. Open court. Like, I don't even live there anymore. Open court. I'll be the only one in there. It'll just be me. Drag me off to jail. I talked to a prosecutor like that. Yeah, don't worry about this. I'm not paying too much attention. Welcome. Proper shit. I hope the internet doesn't drop out again. It's getting shaky. Florida statute, section 918, explicitly prohibits a prosecutor from communicating directly or representing a defendant about the case unless permitted by a court, an open court, in the presence of their counsel. But I don't have counsel.
Did you know you can pay for court costs or fines on felony, misdemeanor, criminal traffic, or traffic infraction cases online by visiting www.pascoclerk.com. Please continue holding. If you're making a court-ordered restitution payment, would like to enter into a payment plan, or need additional information.
Ethical and professional conduct standards adopted in the state statutory procedure regulations, not constitutional provisions. The constitutional right to counsel in the U.S. and Florida Constitution provides foundation, specific rules, statutory and ethical. It supplements constitutional protections by preventing prosecutorial overreach. Like 176 weeks? 176 weeks of court cases? A court case? Come on, you don't need to go outside. It's too hot out there. It's 104 degrees outside. No, you're not going out. You're not going out. It's too hot. The prosecutor is allowed to speak with you. The rule that bars contact only applies when the defendant is represented by an attorney. In your case, that rule doesn't apply. Prosecutors directly with unrepresented defendants. There's no law, statute, or ethical rule for that prohibits a prosecutor from communicating with a pro se criminal defendant. In fact, courts assume you'll engage in some level of communication with opposing counsel since you're your own legal representative. You're not going out. I don't know what to do. We don't have a proper home office here. A freaking Starling train goes by and drops out. It was like 20 minutes. 20 minutes on top of 176 weeks I'll never get back. Shackles. Where are my shackles? Stop the rubbing. "20 minutes? Oh, shit." Yeah. So the internet dropped out. Now I gotta wait. 176 weeks. There's no possibility. Then the judicial assistant's out till Wednesday. She ain't gonna answer me. I left her a message on the 16th. She never called me back. Death to America. And this is gonna be a dead end right here too. We'll call the governor next. Shut me down.
All of our customer service clerks are currently assisting other customers. Your call is very important to us. Please wait for the next available customer service clerk.
Your position in the queue is 4. Your estimated wait time is about 20 minutes.
I'm not a customer. I don't want your services. It's like some contractual agreement that they've placed upon me. Customer service. The relevant legal authority. What? So allows pro se litigants to act as their own attorney in all aspects of the case. It's fine, discovery, communication. Florida Bar Ethics Rules, that's a private association. That's Rule 4-4.2. This only restricts contact when a person is represented by a lawyer. It does not apply when the person is pro se. They're refusing to communicate. It's either a stall tactic, fear of liability, or internal office policy. Being stonewalled. What's the chief judge? Let's call the chief judge. Sean Craig. I'll call the chief judge.
Did you know you can pay for court costs or fines on felony, misdemeanor, criminal traffic, or traffic infraction cases online by visiting www.pascoclerk.com? Please continue holding. If you're making a court-ordered restitution payment, would like to enter into a payment plan, or need additional information.
It's too hot out there. You're not going outside. Okay, go. Get the views up. Well, let them talk all they want. Who cares? Same old tired ass stuff. Bad service. What, like bad customer service or bad self-service? Bad internet service. I'm trying to handle it's a 176-week-old court case. They have it's just a stall tactic. And Amazon with that. Customer service. Like that. I want to unsubscribe. I don't want to be a customer anymore. It's been 176 weeks. 30 minutes. I'm just gonna get blown up here just to show how this works. We'll call the chief judge after this, and I'll call the governor's office. What that whole music they have at Capital One, the techno beat or whatever it is. Governor's office while we're waiting. Florida. Governor's office. Could be doing anything else right now. Anything. Who wants to throw you in a porthole? I guess I can, Inspector General. Who's that other guy's name? Investigator Pickard. We have no food here. Somebody give me money for a pizza, please. I can Uber Eats it here or whatever. I don't even think we have Uber Eats around here. Called Domino's or something. Yeah, whose job? It's not fucking Masons.
All of our customer service clerks are currently assisting other customers. Your call is very important to us. Please wait for the next available customer service clerk.
Your position in the queue is 4. Your estimated wait time is about 20 minutes.
Yeah, you said that 20 minutes ago. We'll just keep these videos coming. I'll make a whole playlist. So I want to make the proper channels playlist. It's Leonard Skinner. It's India. I actually do let India in here. I'll move to India. Super chat thing or my PayPal's in the description. Sure could use a pizza. There ain't no food left here. We're out of food. They're out. What is Pickard's number? Yeah, God forbid my internet drops out again. I can't file anything. Because the judge is going to get me for contempt of court. And I think that goes against, I think it's Title 42 of U.S. Code, like subsection 12,203. Ireland, they let Ireland in here too. We get 10 countries in here, so that's all you get. I did not want to be doing this at all.
Did you know you can pay for court costs or fines on felony, misdemeanor, criminal traffic, or traffic infraction cases online by visiting www.pascoclerk.com? Please continue holding. If you're making a court-ordered restitution payment, would like to enter into a payment plan, or need additional information.
Yeah, I want money. I need pizza money. I don't want pizza money up here. Customer service. What services are you providing? You pay them to get the fucking brakes beat off of you. Don't worry about it, Kim. I already said it, but you can't do it. Don't do it. You don't want to do it. I don't want to do that. I don't care. Just want to get a pizza and some wings. And get delivered so I'm to break camp. She already asked. I told her. She's being a freaking clown. Oh, Scott. Like 176 weeks old now. 76 weeks and 40 minutes. Spam my chat. You can get rid of the spammers. That's Langley. That's Quanticore Langley right there. I'll have to delete that word. Oh, you know what I can do? I can make Amy fix the standard took your ranch. Amy, you're a managing mod now, so you can go like if people say like pedo or retard or something like that, you can just go into the community and you can just block out the words if you feel so inclined. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Managing mod. I want to talk to somebody, get blown off. I don't want to get blown off. I know that's what they're going to do. My freaking internet. Super expensive internet. Didn't drop out on me. Number 4 in the queue. It'll be an additional 20 minutes. Get a shower now. Or I'm a bicycle. Don't watch them. There's 65 million YouTube channels on there. I'm just showing you how America works is boring. A complete failure. Absolute destruction of America. That's boring. Why don't they put you in a boxcar? That ought to be pretty exciting. No phone, no internet. Just sit in a boxcar, look at the walls so they bring you to the Zyklon B chamber and delouse you. Starve you to death or re-educate you. I'm a Quaker. It's not my music. I ain't the answer. Just relax. Speak to you open to court, but the problem with it's not a real court. I don't have an attorney. Well, I'm going to talk to somebody in front of a judge. I'm going to speak to the prosecutor in front of the judge with an active warrant and no legal representation. That sounds like a disaster. It sounds like they're going to throw me in jail and kill me. Oh, dog had a huge tick. Puppy face. At least you can see the ticks on it.
All of our customer service clerks are currently assisting other customers. Your call is very important to us.
Bullshit.
Please wait for the next available customer service clerk.
Your position in the queue is 2. Your estimated wait time is about 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh. It's all ChatGPT. $20 a month for ChatGPT. I'm an attorney. My my paralegal. I've been doing this for like over 10 years now. We got chat. No, we got Google. We're using Google as an attorney right now. So where's the chat GPT? I just asked ChatGPT a bunch of shit. Oh, don't forget I gotta ask for Investigator pick art. Sean Pickard, Inspector Gadget. Project Monarch mind control fucking programming right here. I guess some guy. Joseph Justice. When do we get justice around here? I guess we'll call it Chief Judge after this. We only got 3 hours. I'm looking at the phone number.
Did you know you can pay for court costs or fines on felony, misdemeanor, criminal traffic, or traffic infraction cases online by visiting www.pascoclerk.com. Please continue holding. If you're making a court-ordered restitution payment, would like to enter into a payment plan, or need additional information.
I'll do a Sunshine Act request on their internal policies about speaking with, let's make a note of that. I'll just say FOIA. FOIA policies. Speaking with Pro Se. Cool, checklist. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll fire that off in a minute. Actually, we'll do that right now. I already got that FOIA lady, the records lady, already pulled up here. Oh, ChatGPT, do this for me. So, make me an email. Reference. Requesting. Policies, procedures, and laws pertaining to the state prosecutor regarding unwillingness to speak self-represented defendants. And there's the other thing, I can't speak to them about the mortgage fraud because they will not talk to me. Request for, I'm writing to formally request clarification regarding your office position, regarding your office position, that the assigned prosecutor in my case cannot speak to me outside of open court. I'm currently representing myself pro se. I would like to understand legal policy or basis for this restriction. Please provide policies, procedures, internal guidelines. Oh, this is good enough. We'll just send this off. Looks good to me. Got time for this shit.
Office in the Gabrielle Falls. My name is Sheriff Wanda. How can I assist you?
Sheriff Wanda. I cut off before. It was my fault. I got a case. I've been forced to appear pro se, and I'm being told that the state prosecutor is unwilling to talk to me. I can find rules if I'm represented that he's not allowed to talk to me, but I can't find anything that says he can't speak with a self-represented defendant.
What's the name and date of birth?
It's Tasha Teeling.
You said her name was Tasha?
Yep. The judge told me to contact the prosecutor to do a plea in absentia, and I've been trying to get a hold of the prosecutor for months. The last prosecutor just left. And when I call, they say, well, the prosecutor will only speak to you in open court. But that's for people that are represented. I'm representing myself.
Okay, give me 1 second.
All right, thanks. Oh, well, welcome back. I was wondering where you were. That is just kind of stonewalling. Gatekeeping. Where's that lady? Oh, Christina Velasquez. Oh, I'm waiting for something else from her, too. Oh, no, she got back to me. That's a court case number. Set up public records request is sent. We'll get their policies and stuff. Yeah, your time's different over there and shit. Of course. Hold again. 76 weeks and 51 minutes. Stupid. I still haven't touched on the foreclosure case. What are the other ones? Foreclosure, cyber stalking, trust funds, Nagger. I'm trying to get everything resolved, but this is part 3. It'll probably be a never-ending series on the proper channels. Ain't no one in the world, or no one in this country, Never been prosecuted this long. It's never happened in America. CIA's probably behind it. Shut up! You're not going outside. Lay down. Go lay down.
All right, man. Thank you for holding. So
Yeah.
you may want to reach back out to the judge's office to let them know that the state attorney's office is stating that they won't speak to you.
Yeah, they won't call me back either. I just tried them, and it's Joseph Justice, and Ellen, whatever her name is the JA.
Mm-hmm.
I called her and left her a message on the 14th, I believe. She never got back to me. Called back, and she's out till Wednesday, and she'll never call me back. And this has been going on 176 weeks now. And I'm just being stonewalled and gate kept.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Give me 1 second.
I just did a Sunshine Act request for the policies and procedures on prosecutors not wanting to speak to pro se defendants or litigants or whatever.
One second.
All right, thanks. Fucking orange can. I don't want them. It's your problem now. I don't think anyone wants him. Put him in federal prison. He belongs. I love this. That's a great song. So I'll leave a message for the Inspector Gadget, Investigator Picker, and then I'll call the Chief Judge. There's 2 chief judges there, I think. And then we'll call the governor's office, and maybe I'll go fix my bicycles, take a bike ride or something. I got Sean Crane's number. Sean Crane is Anthony Rondolino. I guess he's not there. Oh, I gotta call Kimberly Sharp Bird too. That's her number. That's her right too. Her J is Shannon McGrady. McGrady, the Irish need not apply. Kimbo Slice disappeared out. I got their name somewhere, but. Prevent you from going back home. Yeah, you gotta restrict people's free movement.
All right, man. Thank you for holding. So I was speaking with my super, and she told me that you can write a letter and address it to the honorable judge and turn it into the courts. It'll be handed out to the judge. But
I can't.
We don't have any other things.
The judge is
Because it doesn't have anything with the clerk. We just get the documents.
But it does have something. It has to do with the clerks now. The judge issued an order that I'm not to file anything. That the clerk's to reject it. And I've already addressed.
I'm sorry. Say that again.
The judge issued an order that anything I file is to be rejected, and I did exactly what you just mentioned. Twice, and the clerk rejected it. Due to this judge's order.
I'm not sure. That's the only information that we have.
There's something very, very wrong there. I don't know how long you've been there or if you're seeing it, but there's something very wrong in that building. Can you get me over to, there's an investigator, Pickard? Can you transfer me to him, please?
What'd you say his name was?
Pickard?
Is that a state attorney or
He's an investigator. He's the only one that's been taking my phone calls. I think it's
He said his last name was Edgar.
No, Pickard. Papa, India, Charlie, Kilo, Alpha, Romeo, Tango, I think.
All right, let me get you connected over.
All right, thank you. We live in an old video game, right? That's the truth. I'm getting out of here. I think you're getting out of here too. No more of this shit. I ain't coming back. I can write to the judge. I've done that. I'll call the chief judge, and we'll call Judge Kimberly, and then we'll call the governor's office, and that'll be enough. We've already been going an hour. She don't know. Something wrong. There's something wrong over there. She sounded like a nice girl too. Might want to get out now before frickin' I shut the whole place down. I'm gonna shut that place down. Because now the clerk's implicated too. The clerk's silencing my frickin' right to free speech, the right to frickin' defend myself, my right to fair and equal protection of the law, fair and equal access to the courts. The psych can't help me. They're no help either. I'm a psych. This is just a showcase that you can be on the phone all day, every day. All the proper channels, and you get nowhere. This is racist music. She couldn't answer. She doesn't know. She just shuffles paperwork around in there, has coffee with the girls, plays Candy Crush, and goes home. Goes home, watches Law and Order or frickin' whatever's popular with the women these days. The prize, they probably walk in, there's a mass mind control going on. I'm not sure about that. Okay. I'm absolutely positive. I'm gonna call the governor here soon. Call the Inspector General. I gotta write something up, type it out, print it out, run my ass to the post office, get one of those green stamp signature required things. They say, oh, we never got that. We didn't get that shit. We get 10 hours. Courts are. They are a government. We're the government. It's for the by the people. It's not. We got five court cases. I'm not even. What is the other one I got going on? With Judge Moore. What's on a trust fund case? America needs to burn. What else we got here? Chief Judge. Just transfer me to the guy. Give me his voicemail. I gotta start a GoFundMe. It's my whole life just consumed by this. This is it. Wake up for nightmares dealing with it, thinking about it. Think about it all day. Go to bed thinking about it. It's just they're torturing me. Just give me his voicemail. Shonda, Yolanda, Shaquita. Write a letter to the judge. I already did that.
All right, ma'am. Thank you for holding. So I was trying to check with my supervisors to see if they have a number for this investigator, but we don't have that information.
I think he's in Pinellas.
You said Pinellas?
Yeah.
I don't have any contact information for him in Pinellas.
I was able to get a hold of him like last week and the week before. All right, let me let me try something else. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
You too. So there's something wrong with that place. Let's try this another way.
Office to Scarlet State Attorney, how can I direct your call?
Hi, Investigator Sean Pickard, please.
We don't have anybody by that name. You looking for the State Attorney's office?
He's an investigator. I spoke to him multiple times.
Wait, we don't have a Sean. Are you trying to call Dade City or Newport Richie?
He's in Pinellas, I believe.
All right, you're calling Pasco.
Do you have a number for Pinellas?
They're 727
Mm-hmm.
464
Yep.
6221.
Okay, thank you. I'll try there.
You're welcome.
Jesus effing Christ almighty. Ugh. Let's try him, and then we'll do the chief judge, and then we'll do the other judge, and then we'll do the governor's office.
State Attorney's Office.
Hi, I'm looking for Investigator Pick, please.
One moment.
Thank you. Oh. What are you doing? Knock it off. It's possible.
Office to Scarlet State Attorney, how can I direct your call?
Hi, I was looking for Investigator Pickard. Hold on, I called Pinellas and they went to transfer me, and then the call got dumped. And I'm assuming this is Pasco again.
It is.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Nice. This is North Korea. It's an hour, nothing got done. Nothing. It's a waste. They wanted to wear you into the ground.
State Attorney's Office, can you please hold?
Hey, you transferred me and I got dumped. Fuck you. Can you please hold? That's a yes or a no. Just give me an opportunity to say yes or no. No, I can't hold. I'm from North Korea. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'm recording too.
Thank you for for holding. How may I help you?
I was trying to get a hold of Investigator Sean Pickard, and when I got to get transferred, it just dumped the call.
John Pickard?
Is it John? I can only imagine there's so many Pickards there, yeah.
Yeah, we have a John.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. One moment.
All right, thank you.
State Attorney Officer Bruce Bartlett, this is Brianna.
Hey, Brianna, put for John Pickard, please.
You're looking for John Pickard?
Correct.
I do not know who that is. Are you looking in reference to a case? Or are you looking
He works at the...
to speak to an attorney?
No, they won't let... Well, I've spoken to... He's Investigator Pickard. He's been a point of contact for the last couple weeks. I know he's around there somewhere, but now no one seems to be able to find him.
Okay, give me 1 moment.
Never move.
I am gonna put you on hold and figure out where Pickard is.
He was supposedly in Pinellas somewhere.
Yes, I know of him. I just am not sure if he's in office.
Oh, okay.
So give me 1 moment. I can figure
All right, if you can't find him, I'll take his voicemail. It's fine.
Okay.
All
Give
right.
me 1 moment.
Thank you. Skinwalker. Slenderman. America's falling, and you don't like my makeup. America's falling, it's absolutely destroyed. There's nothing left of America. I don't care if you don't like my mascara. Oh, we gotta call the police too. We'll just waste the whole day. The calls to nowhere. My legal playlist. I'll have to call Ellen back over at Judge Justice's office on Wednesday. So we'll be doing this again. We'll be doing a part 4.
Hi, I'm back.
Hi.
I am going to transfer you over to someone who has a line that they can get in contact with him.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Hi, you're waiting for Pickard,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Just let me find it. A couple of people are off today, and so I'm trying to find his inside line, so you don't have to be
All right.
transferred around anybody else.
All right, thank you.
We don't publish those.
Wow. That's convenient.
And all right. Okay, one moment. Should I tell him who's calling?
It's Tasha Teeling.
All right, and you're returning his call?
We've been in contact for a couple weeks now.
Okay, thank you. One moment.
All right, thank you. This guy's like the intermediary. He's a conduit. It's raining. Computer crash. garage. What you gotta do is get like 5 computers. I got like 5 computers. Barely get any internet ever to use them. Don't give me any pizza money. I want a pizza. I'm hungry. I'm trying to save America and they want to buy me a pizza and wings. Yeah, it's the same. It's all these crown colonies. It's under like it's crown rule, friggin' royal bloodline rule. UK, America, Canada, Australia, parts of India. What else am I forgetting? Oh, New Zealand. Judge Joseph Justice he's off today. He's playing golf somewhere.
This is Investigator Pickard with the State Attorney's Office.
Hey, John, it's Tasha Teeling again. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing fine.
Hey, I'm not having any luck here. In a couple of regards, I can't get Christian Hernandez. They're telling me that they cannot speak with me, and I've looked up every rule.
That's correct.
But that's for a represented litigant.
No, the way it works now. I'm not an attorney, okay, but I'm only the messenger, okay. But the bottom line is, and I've tried to help as much as I can because I understand your situation and it's difficult.
I'm still here. I have very shaky. I'm on satellite internet. I live out in the woods.
Okay. So I've tried to help you as much as I can. You know, I'm not an attorney. You know, I don't write the policies and how things work here. But the bottom line is that in order for you to talk to the prosecutor in the case, it has to be an open court. Okay.
I just did a
They only. I know. Listen. I'm just telling. It's not going to change. No matter if you don't like it or not. That's the way it has to be. So really, you have the 2 options, right? The first option I know you don't want to do, but we've got it. You got that warrant. If you come back here, turn yourself in, judge. That's your first option. The second is, I think an email was supposed to be sent to you, or I don't know if you got an email from
No, they're not.
Yet.
They're never going to email me.
Well, that's not true because the prosecutor in this case was going to email you.
Are you sure? I haven't got one yet. This is week 100,
Okay.
176.
Yeah. No, I get it. So I'll reach out to the prosecutor again. You know, I only talked to them a few days ago. Did you get my voicemail I left you last week?
Yes, I did. Thank you very much.
Okay. So I'll reach out to the prosecutor again. You know, they might have been tied up in court or something occurred that they weren't able to get an email out to you. That's what they said they were going to be doing to at least let you know the situation. You know, that's an indirect communication. You know, it's part of the record and everything. So, but that's really like all I can tell you at this point. Okay.
All right. Here's another thing. I'm going to call the governor's office again about this, but I'm running into a circle. We have the mortgage fraud where I'm told that I have to get with the police and the state prosecutor, but neither one of them will talk to me about it.
Well, you know, that's not true. You don't get with the state prosecutor. That's incorrect information. You get with the jurisdiction that handles that to do the investigation. Once the case is investigated, if there's enough for a crime, they refer to the prosecutor. So, yeah, you're not going to get anything from any prosecutor for a case that hasn't.
The sheriff, who's been targeting me for years, they will not get back to me. I tried to report the mortgage fraud.
Then you're going to have to go up. You're going to have to go up the chain of command. If you don't like what the lower level, you have to talk to the sergeant, lieutenant, major. I mean, we have nothing to do with any other police department. So,
but they won't call me back. They will not call me.
Yeah.
They won't talk to me. Yeah. They won't call me.
Came down and in person and went in there, they probably would. Yeah, but I know you don't want to do that.
No, I have 2 dogs. I'm poor. I've been left out on the street to die, and they're going to kill me. The cops have already tried to kill me twice. I have evidence of it.
Right, well,
they keep falsely arresting me.
Okay, well,
and they've tried to murder me. I don't know what I did wrong around this place, but apparently something.
Unfortunately, I really, I've tried to help you the best of my abilities and that what I can do for you. So, the answers are the same as before. As I said, I'll try to let them know you haven't gotten that email yet, but really short of that, I really,
Yeah,
we really can't
if you
help
could let them know that,
okay?
because the case is just stagnant. I've called the bar for referrals, and they don't know what know what to do. All these referrals, they said, we're not coming near you with a 10-foot pole.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm sorry. I wish you the best, and I'll try to reach out to that prosecutor today for you, okay?
All right, thanks. And the other thing is my
All right.
attorney was caught with 20 grams of MDMA and 27 Adderall pills. She didn't get charged with that. I tried to call the cops. They won't do it. They won't answer me. I left a Crime Stoppers report like a month ago. They don't care about it. That's federal trafficking levels of illicit narcotics, Schedule 1 and Schedule 2.
Yeah, that's out of our jurisdiction to handle that, unfortunately. So
Yeah, but
I don't know what to
everyone's
tell you on
washing
that.
their hands. Like, well, this war on drugs doesn't apply to some people. If I did that, I would be freaking nailed to the cross like I am now, even worse. Nobody cares.
All right, well, yeah, I'm gonna let you go, but
All right.
I'll reach out to the prosecutor for you, okay?
All right, if you could, thank you.
All right.
All right, bye.
Yep, bye.
Nobody cares. Let's call, what do you call? Let's call the chief judge. Call, it says Sean Crane. Why is this not calling? The 6th one. Oh, April 7. Oh. I put too many numbers. Way too many numbers.
Good afternoon, Judge Crane's office.
Hi, I'm sorry. What office is this? Is this for Crane?
Judge Crane?
Okay, good. I thought you said Gray for a second. Hi, my name's Tasha Teeling. I got a number of cases. The one I'm primarily concerned about right now is a criminal case I got that's been going on. It's a first-time alleged misdemeanor. It's been going on 176 weeks now. I'm hitting brick walls and gatekeeping at every step, and there seems to be no way to resolve this.
Okay, so how can I help you?
Are you Louise by chance?
I am.
Okay, all right. It's good to know who I'm talking to. I don't know. I'm just hitting brick walls. I've made calls for weeks now. I've filed motions. My one of the judges recused himself. I got Judge Joseph Justice now. He's denied every motion. He said I can't file any more motions unless I get with the prosecutor, and the prosecutor will not talk to me if I file a motion or a just any correspondence saying that the prosecutor won't talk to me. The judge has rejected it, and the clerk's rejecting my filings now, saying they're proposed orders, which are not. I refile them with a cover sheet saying this is not a proposed order. It's just a documentation that I've attempted communications. It's like I'm just being stonewalled and just worn down. There's like no resolution for a case. I thought we'd get some like equitable remedy around here, some justice, and that doesn't seem to be the case.
Okay, and do you have an attorney helping you?
No, they won't give me an attorney. They forced me to appear pro se.
Okay, well, I would suggest that you seek legal advice. I will tell you that Judge Crane, even though he's
I don't.
judge, he does not have the authority to intervene in any individual cases, change rulings of any of our judges, or direct how any of our cases are handled.
Well, where do I get legal advice from? I've called the bar. Every attorney hangs up on me. I've been blacklisted.
I would visit the Florida Bar's website. They have assistance with a lawyer referral service.
Yeah, that doesn't
and
work.
They have some free legal aid information on there.
No, I've tried
For
that.
Pasco County and Pinellas County, there's Bay Area Legal
No,
Services.
Bay Area Legal. They don't do criminal.
Okay, well that would be my advice to you.
But it doesn't work. Bay Area Legal doesn't do criminal. I'm indigent, and the prosecutor won't speak to me. I've been denied an attorney. My 14th Amendment rights are gone. My First Amendment rights gone. My Second Amendment right gone. Sixth Amendment right gone. Eighth Amendment is being violated, and I'm getting nowhere. I mean, this is 176 weeks. I'm a disabled person.
Okay, well, if you had some correspondence for the chief judge, it needs to be submitted to our office in writing.
I've done that.
But again, he cannot change, the direction of how any of our cases are handled by the assigned judge.
But I've done that. I've filed correspondence, and it's been rejected.
Okay, well,
If you let me finish.
that is the only direction that I am able to provide to you.
Please, but it gets rejected. The judge has issued an order to reject all my filings, even correspondence.
Okay, well, and again, the chief judge cannot direct another judge how to order or to change an order that's already been entered.
But I've been trapped. I've been trapped now. There's nothing I can do. Is this normal?
Okay, and so then I would suggest that you seek legal advice
I don't have any
from an
money.
attorney.
I've tried, and I don't have any money to hire an attorney.
Okay,
I'm
and again,
indigent.
there's free legal aid services that are available
Okay.
that I suggest that you look into.
I have. Bay Area Legal Service will not touch me. I've called Pinellas, and there's another Pasco one that I've called. No one will come near me.
Okay, well, that's the only direction that I'm able to provide to
All
you.
right, so we're stuck. This is going to go on for another 176 weeks.
Did you have any other questions?
Yeah, how do I get this resolved?
I can't give you any kind of legal advice. The only direction I can provide you is the information that I've just given you.
And I told you I've done that. This is beyond. This is more than frustrating. It's consumed my life.
Okay.
Okay, it's not okay though. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fuck off. Let's call she's no help. Call Bay Area Legal. You can go to part 2. I call Bay Area Legal Services. Nope. They run you in circles to nowhere. Absolutely to nowhere. Let's call let's call the governor's office. Oh, we gotta call the cops too. Cops.
Shannon McGrady.
Is at a remote location. Please hold while we transfer your call to that location.
They're all off today. It's Monday. You go to work on Monday. Get a job.
You have reached the desk of Shannon McGrady, Judicial Assistant to Judge Kimberly Bird. I am currently away from my desk. Please leave a voicemail or email me at crcivw1@jud6.org. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Please leave a message after the tone. When you are finished, you may hang up or press 1 for special options.
Hi, Shannon. My name's Tasha Teeling. Hey, I got 3 cases with Judge Bird. There's a cyber stalking charge that my trustee filed on me in retaliation for me suing her for trust documents. That docket keeps getting deleted. She's on 3 of my cases. She's on that one, which is the cyber stalking. She's on my trust lawsuit, which is now like 2 or 3 separate cases, and she's on my foreclosure case where there's a fictitious entity that's listed themselves as an unknown heir that everyone refuses to address. So I just want to get some information on that. Kimberly's been all over the cyber stalking thing, just keeps throwing it out, won't look at evidence. But the other two cases remain untouched. I know things keep disappearing from the docket, but you can give me a call back, please. It's going to be... Thank you. I gotta piss. Who are we calling next? Message. None of these people work. They don't work. You're not going outside. Come on. Stop. Fucking stop. Oh yeah, you chewed the... Yeah, I'm gonna chew the freaking buttons out of the door. I chew the buttons out of the door. It's destroying this van. Get away. Fucking destroy my van. Alright, we'll call the cops, and then I'll call the governor's office. Hey, it chewed the screws right out of the door. Call Babe. Whoever was here for, was it last Monday or Wednesday? Whenever the hell I called, Bay Area Legal Services on part 2 of the proper channels. They said you gotta call the public defender's office, and the public defender's office they won't talk to me. I said, you gotta hire a private attorney. So I guess I gotta spend my time doing that GoFundMe. All right, let's call the cops in the governor's office. What's the cops number? They never call me back. 847-8102.
Thank you for calling the Pasco County Consolidated Communications Center.
Oh, this is gonna be a
If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Please note all calls are recorded. Please select from the following menu. For the Pasco County Jail, press 1. To contact Florida Highway Patrol, press 2, or call direct at 866-369-4613. For Pasco County Animal Control Services, press 3, or call direct at 727-834-3216. For Pasco County Sheriff's Switchboard, press 4, or call direct at 727.
Thank you for calling the Pasco Sheriff's Office. If this is an emergency, please hang up and call 911. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time.
It's a crisis.
Please listen carefully to all of our following menu options.
To
report a crime, traffic accident, or if you need a deputy to respond to a non-emergency situation, press 1. For the county...
Smoke glass. Animal control. I need some money for pizza. Some money for pizza, please. Jeez. That's too much. There goes the internet. I bet they got my number blocked. Right there. Cops report a crime. We don't do that stuff. They would have had me yoked. They'd like, if somebody called, I may be yoked up right now, head kicked in, bleeding on the streets.
Okay, how can I help you?
Hi, I got 2 crimes to report. I'm not having much luck doing that.
Okay, what's the location for that?
It's in Pasco County. I'm not there currently though. One of them I've already left a Crime Stoppers report on, but that was like a month ago and no one's responded to it. And the other one I've been trying to report for a while, but no one's paying it any attention.
When you call in the reference for the issue, do you use the same phone number?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I'm not showing anything under that phone number for a report with Pasco Sheriff's Office. Do you have the address?
One of them's actually, I would say it's at the courthouse, and the other one's on Tuscany Hillside Road.
Alright. You said this was in reference to a Crime Stoppers report you made?
The Tuscany Hillside Road, that was a Crime Stoppers report.
Okay. Let me go ahead and get you over to the Sheriff's Office directly. Just a moment, please.
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling the Pasco Sheriff's Office Human Resources Department. If you know your party's 4-digit extension, you may enter it at any time during this message. Press 0 at any time to be connected to the Human Resources Service Desk. For hours of operation, address, and fax number, please press 1.
Yeah,
For employment verification, please press 2. Current members needing assistance with benefits, please press 3.
Trying to report a crime to Human Resources?
Individuals seeking employment with the Pasco Sheriff's Office or wishing to volunteer with the Pasco Sheriff's Office, please press 4. Individuals seeking internship opportunity with the Pasco Sheriff's Office, please press 5. For all other human resources related questions, please press 0. To hear this menu again,
Storm. It's crazy.
The person at extension 78.
This is fucking bullshit. What was that guy's name?
Thank you for calling the Pasco County Consolidated Communications Center. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Please note all calls are recorded.
Is that the only way you get home?
Please select from the following menu. For the Pasco County Jail, press 1. To contact Florida Highway Patrol, press 2. Or call direct at 866-369-4613. For Pasco County Animal Control Services, press 3. Or call direct at 727-834-3216. For Pasco County Sheriff's Switchboard, press 4. Or call direct at 727.
Thank you for calling the Pasco Sheriff's Office. If this is an emergency, please hang up and call 911. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. Please listen carefully to all of our following menu options.
This place
to
is
report
a
a
joke.
crime, traffic accident, or if you need a deputy to respond to a non-emergency situation, press 1. For the county...
Call my abusers. This is blacklisted.
Communications may I help you?
Hi, I just called to report a crime or two crimes, maybe three, and the guy said he was going to transfer me over to the deputy, but they sent me over to human resources.
Okay. And what is the address that it's related to?
Oh, one of them's at the courthouse in Newport Richey, and the other one's on Tuscany Hillside Road.
I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time hearing you. Can you take me off speakerphone?
No, this is it. That's all I got.
Okay, what is the address you're trying to report?
One of them's
where the crime occurred?
One of them's at the courthouse in Newport Richey on Government Drive.
Okay.
And the other one's on...
And what's a...
Go ahead.
Okay, let me pull up that address in line with me. Sophie, I'm trying to find a better address. Okay. And what is a good callback number for you?
It's going to be... And the other crime would be, I had a mortgage foreclosure. There's a fictitious entity that's attached themselves, and I believe they're doing equity skimming.
Okay, so what are you trying to report?
I'm trying to report fraud, and then drug trafficking.
Okay. And the fraud's occurring at the courthouse? Where's the fraud occurring?
At the courthouse.
Okay, and is there anything else you would like to report?
I did try to get a hold of those professional standards. I left them a message like a week or two ago about my treatment, and no one ever called me back.
Okay. Yes, officer in contact with you. They'll call you from a blocked or a private phone number, okay?
Alright. Do you know how long that might be?
I'm not sure. Whenever they're available, they'll contact with you by phone.
Alright.
Alrighty, have a great day.
Yeah, this is bullshit, so I gotta wait around for them. Like, how many they've just been gonna blow me off. They don't care about that Crime Stoppers report. It's my phone too somewhere. You can look right here. There's my foreclosure. Jeez. There's my foreclosure right there. Then you got this guy, David E. Carlson, unknown heir. Unknown heir. I got all the, I have the answers. I need some accountability and some justice. You can't get it. And the sheriff's office has already been sued for racketeering. RICO. They've been RICO sued for racketeering and criminal, racketeering influenced criminal organizations by their own deputies and shit. I got interviewed by the Tampa Bay Times about them targeting me. The chief judge of that, what was her name? Louise Smith. I gotta seek legal advice, yeah, but I'm indigent. Around 67 or 69, that shit was settled. No, that don't apply to you. Take a screenshot of this. Oh, what if I want to go do something? Will you stop opening the effing door? Oh, I gotta take a. I gotta look up Amber's case too. Oh, you know, I ain't doing that. Fuck that. This person won't be any card to contact me. Let's call the, I'll give it. And so you gotta wait. I gotta call the governor's office too. Hey, who you gonna call? Like, my mother is a principal real estate broker. That's the highest brokerage license you can get. My brother works for the Internal Revenue Service. And my father is a government defense contract auditor accountant. They can't help me? No, I'm at war with them all the time. So just focus on the mortgage fraud and why they're not investigating federal drug trafficking levels of narcotics. I'm going to complain to them about my treatment. I'm a disabled person. I got to do this all by myself, all the time, while being homeless. Left on the street to die. Enough's enough. No, all I'll do is hurt you. From my family, I had to figure it all out myself. And all they do is they retaliate. Call the cops on me and shit. We'll force them. Oh, I turn myself in. I lose my dogs, I lose my van, and they kill me. They've already tried to kill me twice. I have medical records that prove it. They threw me in my head. They tried to give me a traumatic brain injury, so I'd die. Oh, Veronica. You don't go and frickin' appear in front of your mugger, your rapist. You have family. We have one. Eugene Beale. I don't have any money. Been asking for pizza money. Nobody give me $50 to Uber a pizza out here. What cases in criminal wheel? I want to call this frickin'. It's a governor's office number. Inspector General. Sunshine Act, or public records requested their policies and procedures on talking to pro se defendants from the state prosecutor. Given to me by my government. Cops gave me a traumatic brain injury. Whistleblower hotline. Stop opening the effing door. And they're in, they're out. When I went to file a police report one day in Newport Richie, I got there like 1, 2, the video's on here. Got there in the afternoon, like early afternoon. And they made me wait. I had to sit there and wait for hours and hours and hours to have that deputy just blow me off. He said, oh, you should go file a restraining order. So I go down and I go to type up a restraining order, try to file it online. Nope, rejected, rejected, rejected. So I print everything up, get on my motorcycle, drive down to the bank, get it all notarized, go over to the courthouse. They throw it in the garbage. The judge that issued the bench warrant on me has recused himself. These aren't real courts. I'm not showing up in court without an attorney. I tried to handle the warrant a year ago. The video's on here. It's in my legal playlist. You get the whole email thread to Marie Mabry about the warrant in my case. She never gets back to me. She's got to handle the warrant. How do I do that? It's all on here. It's all documented. A newspaper. Go to Project Mockingbird. They ought to help. They don't do anything. I was just watching some guys. They ripped them out of the hot tub and beating 6 officers in St. Pete. Beating this guy, tasing him. His daughter's running around scared as hell. What attorney? I don't have an attorney. You're guaranteed one. You're guaranteed an attorney. Not me. I don't get one of those. I know what they're doing. It's a 4-year statute of limitations on malicious prosecution. I think it's going to run out or something. So I got to deal with this till next May. I reported his mortgage fraud to everybody. That somebody else will handle that. So I got to report it to the Pasco Sheriff's Office, who doesn't even charge people, my attorney, for having 20 grams of MDMA, 27 Adderall 30s. That out of hers? Frickin', I don't know, I'm gonna get this. This guy ain't calling me back. How do I know what? I've already been interviewed by the newspaper in 2019. How do I know what? I'm gonna ask that attorney. So you want? She blocked the number immediately. I would get a voicemail. You want any drugs or alcohol? Do you have any mental illnesses? And sure enough, she's got all of that. We'll just keep calling. Just keep doing these. You just keep calling and showing you how this place works. I don't really want to call the Inspector General. Turn yourself in. The people that have tried to kill me, at least twice, keep falsely arresting me. Hey, you don't get a trial in this country. You don't get a frickin' This is a misdemeanor. One of the parts of this, one aspect, it's a misdemeanor. 177 weeks, 176 weeks of a misdemeanor. 12 attorneys, 15 prosecutors, 3 appeals judges. Man, it's hard. I can't even walk these dogs during the day. The pavement. It's not gravel here. It's pavement. And I walked barefoot the other day to go to the broken shower. My feet were burning. Yeah, it's deep state. It's for Satan. It's satanic. This guy gonna call me back. Let's call the Inspector General. Rude.
Whistleblower hotline, this is Sherry.
Not Sherry. My name's Tasha Teeling. I got a number of issues going on. I need to talk to you about. I've talked to Citizen Services, and they got back to me once with like a real coverall, like blow off email. I emailed them back, and that was months ago. They never got back to me. And so I had to do with racketeering level crimes in Pasco County. Police.
Sorry, I can barely hear you.
Yeah, I got a bad internet connection, I guess. I tried to report. There's racketeering, violation of civil rights, and targeting, as well as mortgage fraud too.
Mortgage fraud?
That's one of the mortgage fraud, civil rights violations, drug trafficking that's not being prosecuted. It's a multitude.
Are
of
you
things.
a state employee?
No.
All right. This office takes complaints from state.
Alright, so I got blown up.
Regarding the mortgage fraud, you can call the Department of Financial Services Inspector General's office. I can give you that phone number.
Hold on, Department of Financial Services.
Financial Services, yes.
Okay.
Let me look for that number. One moment, please.
Yep.
All right, the number is 850 413
Yep.
3112.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
Now, what about, you only do for state employees, alright.
I'm sorry?
I was gonna say the other stuff, but you said only, what about the civil rights violations and, there's the federal drug trafficking that the county's not
Well,
prosecuting?
that would be federal, that would be something federal, and for the other, I would recommend you to get legal advice.
Yeah, I don't have any money. I have I got a misdemeanor charge, and I've had 12 lawyers just disappear on me. The state-funded ones. And now I'm being denied a lawyer, which I'm have my 6th and 14th Amendment rights violated.
Your number for
I've tried.
So I recommend you to call for fraud, mortgage fraud to the Department of Financial Services.
Okay. They don't fucking care. They do not care. It's loud in here with all the rain. It's not a proper home office. Holy shit. This is the place that flooded before. It's flooding again. Yeah, it's raining. How's this coming in now? can't make any calls. That's right. I mean, it's the satellite's theft. I gotta do this by myself. All of it. I gotta be able to, I'm not gonna be able to get a call, can't make a call, nothing.
General's office.
Hi. I want to report, hi. I want to report mortgage fraud.
Okay, you'll need to speak to our Office of Financial Regulation, Inspector General. Would you like me to transfer you?
Yeah, can you give me the number to this? I just talked to the Inspector General at the governor's office, and they gave me this number, so...
Yeah, they don't quite understand that. Oh, Office of Financial Regulation has their own IG. But yes, I'll give you this number, and let me get it for you here. Office of Financial Regulation is, well, they have a, oh no, here it is. 850 487
Yep.
9687.
Okay. Alright, can you transfer me over there, please?
Yes, I'll try to do that right now. Hold on.
Thank you.
I think I can figure out how to do it. Hold on.
Music I wanted. This is it. 2 hours. Where have we got? Absolutely nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. Just like the last time.
Visit us online at flofr.gov. If you know the name of the person you wish to speak to, press 1. For questions or complaints related to mortgage companies, debt collectors, money transmitters and check cashers, or finance companies, press 2. For questions or complaints related to securities or investments, or securities brokers or investment advisors, press 3. For questions or complaints related to state-chartered banks, credit unions, trust companies and international bank offices, press 4. For the Office of the Inspector General, press 5. Stay on the line to hear these options again.
What? There's no...
We did not receive any input. Please try again. Thank you.
You may dial your party's 5-digit extension at any time during this message, or press 2 to dial your party by directory name. Usted puede marcar la extensión de 5 dígitos de su partido en cualquier momento durante este mensaje, o presionar 2 para marcar su partido por nombre de directorio. You may dial your party's 5-digit extension at any time during this message, or press 2 to dial your party by directory name. Usted puede marcar la extensión de 5 dígitos de su partido en cualquier...
Who would you like to reach?
Operator.
Sorry, no matching name found. Say cancel, or press 0 to exit at any time. Who would you like to reach?
Thank you for calling the Florida Department of Financial Services. If you are trying to reach a workers' compensation office, please press 1 now. If you are trying to reach the Bureau...
This is fucking bullshit is what it is. 50487. That's 87. 687. I can't be interactive right now. I'm trying to.
Thank you for calling the Florida Office of Financial Regulation. You may visit us online at flofr.gov. If you know the name of the person you wish to speak to, press 1. For questions or complaints, credit unions, trust companies and international bank offices, press 4. For the Office of the Inspector General, press 5. You have reached the Division of Securities. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance purposes. You may also visit us online at flofr.gov. If you have a question or complaint related to securities or investments, press 1. If you would like to obtain registration information related to securities or
Trying to handle this for 176 weeks now. I've done this for 10 years. Yeah, the judge is long gone, too. I'm gonna recuse him. I gotta recuse him.
Hello, you have reached the Florida Office of Financial Regulation, Secure Division, Complaint Intake. Please leave your name and phone number. Complaint staff will return your call. You may also file a complaint online at www.flofr.gov.
record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi there, my name's Tasha Teeling. I'm trying to report mortgage fraud. There's someone that's listed themselves as an unknown heir on my foreclosure and approximately 38 other foreclosures. I believe he's equity skimming. I've done some research, and it looks like he was charged federally for making false statements to HUD and equity skimming in the past. I've complained to everybody about this, and everyone just kind of keeps looking over it. My number is... Thank you. See, nobody cares. Nobody cares about this. Equity skimming? Ah. What did I hit there? Was that 1?
Thank you for calling the Florida Office of Financial Regulation. You may visit us online at flofr.gov. If you know the name of the person you wish to speak to, press 1. For questions or complaints related to mortgage companies, debt collectors, money transmitters and check cashers, you have reached the Division of Consumer Finance. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance purposes. You may also visit us online at flofr.gov. If you have a question or complaint related to loan originators, mortgage brokers or lenders, or mortgage service companies, press 1. If you have a question or complaint related to debt collectors, financial technology sandbox innovators, money services businesses including payday lenders and check cashers, consumer finance companies, title loan lenders, motor vehicle and retail installment sellers or sales finance companies, press 2. Press 8 to return to the main menu. Thank you for calling the Office of Financial Regulation, Division of Consumer Finance. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance purposes. Please hold for the next available agent who will assist you in obtaining information regarding mortgage loan originators, mortgage brokers, and mortgage lenders.
Brandon speaking, I'm out.
Hi, I'm sorry. I got a bad signal. I didn't catch your name.
Brandon.
Brandon. Hi, my name's Tasha Teeling. I'm trying to report mortgage fraud. I had a foreclosure, and someone attached themselves as an unknown heir to my foreclosure and approximately 38 others. all my research points that he has been charged federally in the past for making false statements to HUD and for equity skimming.
Okay. So I can kind of walk you through the process of reporting. So you can choose to do it either one or two ways that you're liking. You can either do it kind of like the old-fashioned way, where it just give you like a little paper form to fill out, and just basically, describe everything in detail. And you can either choose to email that, mail it back to the office, or print it out from our website. The other method of doing such is going to our website, and there's a portal that's on there. It houses all our complaints, tips, reports. You can type it up from that portal and basically submit it to what's called enforcement. They review all tips and reports like that, and just basically review them. And I'm not sure if you want to do it anonymously, or you also put your name on it. Either way, that's fine with you. And it goes basically include any documentation that's in there.
All right, how do I get to the portal? Because the guy successfully stole my home, and I've been homeless ever since, so I can't get mail.
Okay. So the website is fr.gov.
Yep.
And there's as soon as you go into that page, you'll see where it says enforcement to the very top. And when you click it, it has a submit a complaint or tip right underneath it.
All right, there's no way I can talk to somebody there?
They unfortunately don't take anything over the phone anymore. I can probably get you with the enforcement, but they're probably going to really tell you the same thing I just told you. Is basically the process of it.
I mean, if you could, that would be great. I'm a disabled person. I'm not getting very many accommodations for it. I've been working my butt off on trying to get this resolved for years now.
Okay. Give me 1 second and see who's available.
All right, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is non-stop work. 5 court cases, targeting, homelessness, poverty, all by myself. It's too much. Way too much. When do I get time to take time for myself? I did 2 or 3 hours the other day. 2 or 3 hours the day before, or the day before, the time before that. We got nowhere. He's coming for his bride. But he's not. He's doing shit. Jesus Christ Almighty, step on this. That investigator said that the prosecutor's emailed me back. It's been over a week now. I emailed him on the 4th of July. Oh, this piece of shit cop. Still no pizza money up there. Where's the pizza money? I want a pizza. It's in my pre-recorded videos that hardly anybody watches. All this shit. People got questions and they won't watch the videos. Alright, I'm gonna explain that shit. is willing to do anything about any of this shit. So worry about your luck. Get a lawyer. The lawyers are one of the biggest problems out there. If not the biggest. That's called a public defender's office. Why am I low income? I got a trust fund. I want that. I watched part two. I watched part two about the freaking low-income lawyers. The proper channels, part two. I'll make a play when I get off here. I'll make a playlist. This is a full-time job. Shut your stupid piano up. What does the chief judge do? She's like, oh, he don't do that. He can't do anything. No one can do anything because they're all blowing each other, banging each other in the butt, playing golf together, going to their lodge meetings. It's sick. Where's this cop? Where's the cop? I was watching somebody today, and they said, like, these people that are in a position of power, like politics and shit, the feeling they get off power is similar to coke, and that's why so many of them do it. Because when you're not in the office, exerting your power, you gotta keep yourself up. And then the people that would do best in those roles are the people that don't want to do it, like me. We're dealing with psychopaths, absolute psychopaths. It won't be the first time that happened. There ain't nobody over here. Submit it, so just be like Crime Stoppers. Submit a tip, you'll never hear back from them. Huh. Ethics Bureau. We don't deal with unethical shit here. We're the Ethics Bureau.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi.
Thank you for holding. So I'm gonna transfer you over to a lady named Elizabeth. She'll be able to help you out.
Okay.
What I'm gonna do is give you her phone number though before I do so, just in case there's any disconnection.
Sure.
So if it is, you can always contact her back directly.
Okay.
So her phone number is 850 410
Yep.
9811.
Okay, beautiful. Got it.
And again, her name is Elizabeth.
Yep.
And I'm just about to transfer you right now. Give me 1 second.
All right, thanks, Brandon.
You're welcome. All right, so you got to be transferred. I hope you have a good day.
All right, you too. It's Florida thunder showers. It's the same time as.
Good day. You have reached the voicemail box for Elizabeth Ralston with the Florida Office of Financial Regulation. I'm unable to take your call at this moment.
Of course you can.
Please leave me a detailed message and speak your name, case number if applicable, and phone number slowly and clearly. Your call will be returned at my earliest convenience. Have a great day, and thank you for calling the Florida Office of Financial Regulation.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, Elizabeth. My name's Tasha Teeling. Hey, I'm trying to report, and I've been trying to report for a long time, mortgage fraud. I had a foreclosure that I've just reopened. There's someone that has attached themselves as an unknown heir to my foreclosure and approximately 38 other foreclosures. I believe he's equity skimming. And I've actually found cases on him. I believe it's him from quite a few years back where he was charged federally with making false statements to HUD and equity skimming. Was charged with that. Like I said, it was my case and 38 others, I believe, in Pasco County, Florida. I've been in touch with everybody, and no one seems to, like, this guy just got away with it scot-free. I got a case number in Pasco County. It's 512014 Charlie Alpha 000272 Charlie Alpha Alpha X-Ray Whiskey Sierra. And my number is... Anyway, I appreciate getting the call back. Thank you. Alright, now what? Now who do we call? Some civil rights shit. Florida Department of Justice. Alright, so I gotta go to that website. I'll call it in a second here. Hold music time. Sure could use some pizza money. Try to fix your country if you're in America. Help me out with a pizza, I'd appreciate it. Oh, a portal? Oh, I want the phone number. Civil rights. There's a contact number. 850 Tallahassee Burn. I don't think the cops gonna call me back. Two and a half hours today. 2.5 freaking hours.
You have reached the office of Attorney General James Upmeyer. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance purposes.
Thank you for calling the Office of Attorney General James Upmeyer. How may I transfer your call?
I'm trying to report some civil rights violations. I don't know who I speak to there.
Okay, I'll transfer you to our citizen services. 1 moment.
Civil services.
Thank you for calling the office of Attorney General James Upmeyer, Citizen Services. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance. To continue in English, please press 1. Para información en español, apriete el número 2. If you are calling to file a consumer complaint and do not need to speak with our hotline staff, please press 1. If you would like to speak with one of our hotline staff about a consumer issue or complaint, please press 2.
It's not a consumer complaint. It's civil rights.
Please select an option from the following choices or remain on the line to speak to an operator.
If you are calling to file a consumer complaint and do not need to speak with our hotline staff, please press 1. If you would like to speak with one of our hotline staff about a consumer issue or complaint, please press 2.
That's right. Civil rights, the consumer protection.
All personnel are assisting other callers. Please hold and we will be with you momentarily.
Almost 3 hours out of it. Nowhere.
Thank you for your patience. Our personnel are still assisting other callers. Please continue to hold for the next...
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling the Office of the Attorney General, James Upmeyer. My name is Ted. May I get your name, please?
Hi, Ted. My name's Tasha Teeling. I was looking for civil rights, and apparently she got me over to consumer protection.
Civil rights. For what issue? What kind of civil rights issue?
I've been denied my 6th and 14th Amendment, as well as my 1st, 2nd, 4th, 5th, and 8th, I believe.
Yes, sir. I'm not what constitutional amendments were violated. What sort of issue is it? Does it have to do with it's not a consumer issue then?
Correct.
It is an issue with law enforcement. Is it an issue with discrimination in housing, or
it's with law enforcement and the courts, and also the Americans with Disabilities Act, but mainly the courts right now.
Okay, I got you. The civil rights. That's going to be Department of Justice's Civil Rights Department.
Right.
Let me go ahead. Yeah, let me get you that number. That's a completely different agency.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I tried.
Let me get you that number real quick.
Okay. That's what it's called.
All right. The Civil Rights Division of the Department of Justice is 202.
Yep.
514. 4609.
Okay. Is there any way you can transfer me, or?
No, sir. I'm sorry, I cannot.
All right. What was that? I called the DOJ Civil Rights. It was 850-414-3300. Is what I got off.
Yes, sir. That's the Office of the Attorney General. We take consumer complaints regarding fraud, but we have no jurisdiction over the legal systems.
I was. I was trying to report fraud too. I got mortgage fraud going on that no one
Okay.
seems to want to address. And I left a message for a Elizabeth Ralston a bit earlier at the.
Okay. There, we are tasked with pursuing civil, like retail fraud against the greater public.
Okay, that's not retail.
Not like individual cases of like real estate fraud.
All right. Okay, well, I'll have to message
All
her
right.
anyway. All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, bye. All right, so, and the cops still ain't called back. All right, so this is the number. What am I even calling about now? Oh, civil rights. 202-514-4609. Like, better go to the office. I can't even go to the state.
Office of the Assistant Attorney General of the Civil Rights Division is staffed between 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, and can be reached at area code 202-514-3847. The office address is 950
Sorry, I gotta call somebody else?
Pennsylvania Avenue, Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20530-0001.
That's what we're calling Washington.
We may also be reached by fax at 202-514-0293. Thank you for calling. The Office of the Assistant Attorney General of the Civil Rights Division is staffed between 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
We're gonna call another
Eastern
number.
Time.
Let's call another
Monday
number. More numbers. Yeah, I like calling numbers. Numbers to nowhere. Well, I gotta put this in a playlist. This is how America works.
Reached the Department of Justice Civil Rights Division complaint line. Our hours of operation are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Your call is very important to us.
Hello, thank you for calling Recorded Line.
Hello, it's the sheriff's office calling back for Tasha.
Hi, this is Tasha.
Hi, Tasha, you're on a recorded line. How can I help you?
You're right, same here. I tried to report. I got two things going on. There's a mortgage fraud taking place in the courthouse, and I've also uncovered federal drug trafficking levels of Schedule 1 and Schedule 2 narcotics that you guys seized but didn't charge the person with, so I'm very curious as to why. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
yeah, I would have no knowledge of that, ma'am.
I didn't catch your name, by the way.
I'm sorry?
I didn't catch your name, by the way.
Desk officer Corio.
Corio?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
At the desk.
All
Desk
right.
officer.
So what wouldn't you have power over?
I wouldn't have that information. I don't have the case. I don't have any of that, and I wouldn't be able to provide that over the phone. What you would need to do is possibly get a copy of all the reports, and that you would do through records.
In which case, like I said, there's two things. I also try to get a hold of professional standards, but I left them a message. They didn't get back to me. Like I said, one is mortgage fraud that's operating through the courthouse, and the
Are you the victim?
Oh yeah, I'm the victim in that. And there's
Okay. Do you have a case number associated with that?
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's
Okay.
whatever.
So it went to court, I'm assuming?
Yeah,
The case was tried in court?
Yeah, I was tried in the court. I had 2 lawyers permanently disbarred. I guess that's a way for the matter. But there's someone that's attached themselves as an unknown heir, a fictitious entity, on my foreclosure and 38 others. I did a lot of research, and I found out that it looks like him. He was charged with equity skimming in the past and making false statements to housing and urban development.
Okay, so this is something new that you're reporting?
I bet
you know, what you previously reported?
It just came to my attention recently. And
Okay.
I've been investigating it, and I found that it's not just me it's happened to. And I keep getting shuffled around, but I was talking to the inspector, or not the inspector, the investigator at for the state attorney's office in the 6th Judicial, and he said I had to report it to you guys.
Okay. Well, what you would need to do is, obviously, if you have any documentation proving what you're alleging, you would just take that to the district office there, right next door to the courthouse.
Yeah.
To file a report.
I've been banned from the state because you guys falsely arrested me, and now I got a warrant for my arrest.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's not okay.
All right, yeah, and like I said, you can go to records and get a copy of the report via the sheriff's office webpage, pascosheriff.com, do a record request so you can see the cases and whatnot. And if you have anything new to report, like I say, you can take the documents to the sheriff's office there on Little Road.
Well, how do I
look at it?
Well, I'm not in the state, like I said. You guys are out to get me, so is there any way I can do it over the phone or do it online?
You can
preferably
you can
over the phone.
report to you. Where are you? What state you in?
I'm not saying.
Okay, well, I guess
you guys,
our phone call was over. That I can't assist you then.
Deputy Corey, to be honest with you, you guys have come. You've sent deputies, out-of-state deputies, to try to question me and rattle my cage.
Yes, they want you for something, and I don't know. I'm not.
Yeah, it's a misdemeanor.
I have no knowledge of it.
It's a misdemeanor. I was beat up by the #1 champion MMA fighter that I got arrested for because I've been targeted by you guys for years.
Okay. What you can do is you can report to your local agency, and they can do an assist other agency for us, and they can send us the report.
Yeah, I don't have the
If you have contact with anybody, they're going to run your name. They're going to see that you have a warrant.
Yeah, it's a misdemeanor though.
Maybe just take care of the warrant. Maybe.
I've tried to. I don't even have an attorney now. But what I want to do is report this mortgage fraud. I mean, that's federal level stuff.
It's not. Again, that's not something we can do by phone though.
Can I do it? Can I do it
We
online?
need to see the documentation.
I did.
You can try to do it online on pascosheriff.com, and you can try doing a report that way. See if it gets kicked back or if they accept it.
I did a Crime Stoppers tip. My one of my attorneys was caught with 20.
No, not that. That's nothing. No, you don't want that.
Well, we're
pascosheriff.com and report it online. What you're trying to report and see if it works.
How do I do this?
You go to pascosheriff.com.
Okay.
And you just do an online report. You'll see a box that says online report.
All right. And that'll maintain public record, I guess, right?
Yep.
All right.
Yes.
Now, so I gotta do that with the mortgage fraud, and I have to do it with the
mortgage fraud documentation. We just can't do that over the phone.
But that I can do online?
What?
That I can do online?
No, because they're going to need to see the documentation, the actual document.
All right, but I can. It's right in the court records. I can easily provide screenshots of that. I did a video on it too on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, again, they would need to see that in person. All frauds are handled in person.
All right.
At the district location. If not, you have to contact your local agency and they can assist us in the investigation.
Yeah.
So you make contact with any law enforcement, they're going to run your name and see what's going on. And they'll probably most likely see the warrant.
Right.
So.
Yeah, I've been blacklisted everywhere. And yeah, it's just, I mean, there's federal level crimes going on here, and I'm being targeted to the end of the world for a misdemeanor I didn't even commit. And like I said, I've been targeted by you guys for years, stemming from my trustee calling you guys.
Right.
Well, actually, the Tampa Bay Times interviewed me for that article, that Pulitzer Prize-winning article.
Which MMA fighter were you involved with?
My son.
An MMA fighter?
Yeah, an MMA fighter. They said I'm a disabled person. This kid, I was covered in bite marks and bruises. The two primary officers that show up were Brinley and Evers. They didn't even look at me. I spent 3 weeks in jail, covered in bruise marks. I should have been bruises and bite marks. I should have been brought to the hospital, but I had to go to Land O'Lakes, the prison. And I haven't. And it's been. We're on 147 weeks of this court case.
Okay. All right. Well, I mean, I have nothing else, so that's all I can offer you right now.
Yeah, it just seems. Now, what about I did the Crime Stoppers tips. You guys found, like I said, 20 grams of MDMA and 27 Adderall pills that weren't this person's, and they never got charged with it.
I don't know.
That's
there's nothing I can do there.
That's federal trafficking levels of. I mean, you guys go and like do press releases and shit on taking people off the street for less, and throwing them in lockup and in court and in prison. You just ignored it. I have the evidence sheet, and you guys got it, but you never. But that's you guys. The slogan is "We fight as one."
Yeah.
Yeah.
They do.
But are you a volunteer there?
You what?
Are you a volunteer there?
No, I'm a civilian desk officer though.
Oh, is there? Yeah, so yeah, you're a civilian. Is there a badge deputy there I can talk to?
Chances are I got more experience than them. I got 30 years in law enforcement.
I think I talked to you a couple years ago.
You know.
I'm fairly certain I talked to you a few years ago.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I talked to a lot of people.
Yeah, your name sounds very familiar in your position. But there's no badge deputy.
No. Sorry.
How is that possible, though? I'm not trying to give you a hard time, but these are some serious crimes I need to report.
Yeah, and I told you need a deputy in person to report those crimes, but you have a warrant, so you don't want to meet with somebody, so there's nothing I can do.
No, I can't.
This is what you get. You landed up with me.
All right.
So, I don't know what to tell you. You gotta do it with a deputy in person. Because they need to see those documents, okay?
Yeah, I've tried this before. It's a road to nowhere. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, bye. He's not even a real cop. This is what you get. This is what you get. Is there anyone else? We gotta wait for. I'm handling 5, 6 things at once. 5 or 6 things at once. You can't talk to a real cop over there because they have no real cops. There's no real cops. There's no real judges. It's all a scam. It's me when in person, and then lose my dogs and go sit in jail until they kill me because I'm never getting a trial on a misdemeanor. I'll never get one. They will just kill me. They've been targeting me for over a decade. It's been 176 weeks. The misdemeanors are not getting taken care of. I've tried. So I gotta get with the prosecutor. I've been getting with the prosecutor since March or April. I got all the receipts to prove it. They never got back to me. Can't do anything now. You go look at the legal playlist. I can't even file anything. They're going to exercise their... everything I do gets denied. And now it's all getting rejected. So, but this is public record now. This is... They treat it as public. I've tried to report crimes. Tried to clear up all this misdemeanor shit. And I'm doing it online to show you. This is how it works. You can't... They can't clear anything up. You can't report crimes. They're not interested in crimes. It's against somebody they targeted. That's it. I know I talked to that guy. I'm pretty sure he's in my legal playlist. Or if not, I had the audio of him from like 4 years ago. Dude, he's just some old man. He's a civilian. I said, that's what I said. You're like a volunteer. He's a civilian. You don't do anything. Won't even get you a deputy. He's not a deputy. He's just some old 70-year-old guy or whatever. Was a cop before, retired, collected his pension. Now he's sitting there getting another paycheck, get another pension. He's not a volunteer. He's getting paid. I guess we'll call it quits on part 3 here. Yeah, it must be in person. Come on. So now I got to spend. This has been 3 hours, and I did a public records request on their policies for the prosecutor. I'm doing everything I can to get all this shit resolved, and nobody wants to resolve it. It's racketeering. No one's gonna take care of it. No one's gonna even look at it. Yeah, they know exactly. Yeah, there's a video. I told them. When he said do the inner office or inner assist, there's a video in here where they send cops up to me up here to stalk and harass me. I talked to him before. There's a video on here where I'm reporting the trust fraud. We had officer, it was deputy sergeant or corporal Fritz. They want to give me his name. I remember his name's Fritz. And there was observers on scene. It's on my legal play, my cops playlist. I think we've done enough for today. Who else is gonna call me back? Let's call Florida Bar, get another referral. Oh, we're waiting. It's 3 hours on top of 3 hours on top of 3 hours. We got just 9 hours of video in here about this shit. Attorney. Florida Bar. And but they only do one referral at a time. So I guess we gotta focus on the criminal while the fraud have been trying
Thank
to
you for
report for years.
calling the Florida Bar Lawyer Referral Service. Para información en español, marque dos.
We'll keep you on.
Did you know that you can get a referral for an attorney 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by visiting floridabar.org/LRS? This service is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Your call is very important and will be answered as quickly as possible.
What's her face? The
For
chief judges?
service, you may wish to
So I
obtain
need
a
to get.
referral from our website.
I had to call the Florida Bar, so we'll do that.
floridabar.org/LRS. Our lawyer referral service covers 53 of the 67 counties in Florida and provides referrals to private attorneys that charge fees.
But
Please listen to the following options for the county name in which you need a referral. If you do not hear your county, please stay on the line. If you are calling for Broward or Collier County, press 1.
I need to know
If
if
you
I'm
are calling
on
for Miami-Dade, Escandia,
NCIC
Santa
or whatever it
Rosa,
is.
or Hillsborough County, press 2. If you are calling for Baker, Clay, Duval, or Nassau County, press 3. If you are calling for Brevard, Lee, or Orange County, press 4. If you are calling for Palm Beach or Pinellas County, press 5. If you did not hear your county for Palm Beach, press 1. For Pinellas, press 2. Thank you. You are now being transferred to your local bar association.
Great.
Hello, thank you for calling the Lawyer Referral Service line. Please listen carefully as our hours have changed. The Lawyer Referral Service is now open Monday through Thursday. All calls will be returned within 48 business hours. We offer up to 30-minute consultations with attorneys in Pinellas County.
I didn't get
The
30
following
minutes. I
areas
got like
of law
5 minutes.
qualify for a free
If that,
consultation.
they said we can't help.
Bankruptcy, personal injury, workers' compensation, medical malpractice, labor, and employment. All other areas of law require a $50 upfront non-refundable fee.
I don't have that.
Please leave your name, phone number, and a brief regarding your legal issue, and we will return your call within 48 business hours.
Thank you for calling the Florida Office of Financial Regulation.
Where's the bar? A road to nowhere.
Thank you for calling the Florida Bar Lawyer Referral Service.
Goop.
Para información en español, marque dos.
Get the goop. They got a Dollar General.
Did you know that you can get a referral for an attorney 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by visiting floridabar.org/LRS? This service is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Your call is very important and will be answered as quickly as possible. For immediate service, you may wish to obtain your referral from our website at floridabar.org/LRS. The Florida Bar Lawyer Referral Service covers 53 of the 67 counties in Florida and private attorneys that charge fees. Need a referral. If you do not hear your county, please stay on the line. If you are calling for Broward or Collier County, press 1. If you are calling for Miami-Dade, Escambia, Santa Rosa, or Hillsborough County, press 2. If you are calling for Baker, Clay, Duval, or Nassau County, press 3.
When did I enjoy my life?
If you are calling for Brevard, Lee, or Orange County, press 4. If you are calling for Palm Beach or Pinellas County, press 5. If you did not hear your county or if you are unsure, please stay on the line and a representative will be with you shortly. To repeat this menu, press 9.
I'm already exhausted. Look at this all by myself.
The Florida Bar Lawyer Referral Service does not refer to pro bono or free attorneys. If you need a free attorney, please contact your local legal aid or legal services office. By request only, we have low-fee panels for low-income individuals who qualify. The Florida Bar Lawyer Referral Service is prohibited from giving legal advice. However, we can refer you to an attorney who will provide a 30-minute consultation for no more than $25. For work beyond the initial 30-minute consultation, the attorney may charge at their normal rate. It is your responsibility to discuss these with the attorney before hiring them. When your call is answered, you will be asked to give the county and a brief explanation of the problem. You will also be asked to give your name, email address, and phone number. Please have a pen and paper ready to write down the contact information of the attorney. Please hold while you are connected to the next available agent.
Somebody give me $50 pizza, please. Pizza and wings. I gotta get it delivered, or I'm not eating that because there's no more food left in there. Calling there right up, so you gotta go down there. I'm a disabled person. I want to go down there, get arrested. My dogs who die in a fucking hot van. Put some goop on top of it. That stuff works good.
We apologize for the delay. We will answer your call as soon as possible. Please have pen and paper ready to write down the referral information. You can now be referred to an attorney online. Just visit floridabar.org/LRS.
Somebody please buy me a pizza. I'm hungry. I had one meal yesterday. Shitty freaking rice.
currently experiencing a large volume of calls. We apologize for the delay. Your call will be answered in the order in which it was received. Please have pen and paper ready to write down the referral information. You can now be referred to an attorney online. Just visit floridabar.org/LRS.
It's an online request. That's bullshit. I'm exhausted from this shit. Morning, noon, and night for a decade now. A decade.
We are currently experiencing a very high call volume. Please continue to hold or call back at a later time.
I gotta get it delivered too. I go to Gatesboro here.
We apologize for the delay. We will answer your call as soon as possible. Please have pen and paper ready to write down the referral information. You can now be referred to an attorney online. Just visit floridabar.org/LRS.
Legal aid program here. But they don't do criminal. Immigrant Justice, Paralegal, called them. Oh, civil rights. Have they got a number? Fill out a form. You can't talk to anybody. You can fill out forms all day. Just filling out forms all day. Form is just a waste
The
of
lawyer
time.
referral service is currently experiencing a large volume of calls. We apologize for the delay. Your call will be answered in the order in which it was received. Please have pen and paper ready to write down the referral information. You can now be referred to an attorney online. Just visit floridabar.org/LRS.
Oh, they do have a phone number. Screw these people. I'm with all these people. Fuck you. 33, 224,
Thank you for calling the Council on American Islamic Relations,
Oh,
Florida.
Islamic relations.
If you know your party's extension, You may dial it now.
Well, I'm in Islam.
Otherwise, please choose one of the following options. If you'd like help from our attorneys, press 1. For media inquiries,
I'm Islamic today.
Hello, this is Joan. Okay.
Hi, I'm having a hard time hearing you. Hey, I got your number off the Florida bar. It said for civil rights violations. I've been having my civil rights violated for a long time now, and currently.
Okay, you're kind of cutting up, but you found our number and are you just reaching for help?
Yeah, I found it off the Florida bar.
Okay. Let me create a file for you. Just give me a second.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, can you spell your first name for me?
Yeah, it's Tasha.
You said Tasha?
Correct.
And then last name?
Teeeling.
Teeing?
It's Tango, Echo, Lima, India, November, Golf.
Okay, I think I'm missing a letter. Tee, and then a letter, and then ing.
Yeah, L's the letter you're missing.
You said L?
L, yeah.
Okay, Teeling.
Correct.
Okay, and then the phone number is... Okay, you said correct, right?
Yes.
Sorry, you keep cutting up.
Hey, it's
okay.
I'm on satellite internet. I live in the woods.
Oh, okay, that's fine. What is your email address?
It's gonna be
Okay, and then last thing is the mailing address.
I don't have one right now. I've been homeless for quite some time.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, can you just summarize your case in like a couple sentences?
Yeah, I have a couple of them, but the most pressing one, I was viciously attacked by 3 people in 2022, and covered in bite marks and bruises, and I got arrested for it. I'm the only one with visible injuries, and the courts have been dragging this out but we're on 176 weeks now. They've denied me an attorney. The prosecutor won't speak to me, and they won't let me they won't even let me represent myself. I've been targeted by the sheriff's office for over a decade as well. I was actually interviewed by for a Pulitzer Prize-winning article about targeting.
Okay. And just so because again your voice is cutting up. Is the case like discrimination based off like your race, your religion, or any of that?
I believe so. Yes. They've denied every disabilities accommodation I've ever requested.
Okay, this is really good. Okay. Do you think you're able to send me by email a statement of, because you said it's, like it's a couple of cases, just detailing the cases, since it'll be hard to get that information over the phone.
Yeah, I'm really only, I'm working on the other ones, but the most important one is this one.
Okay, yeah. If you can send me a statement for the attorneys to also look at the details,
Sure.
because there's more details than that. Can I tell you the email that you can send it to?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Usually, before they reach out, it's like give it like 10 business days before the attorneys reach out back, but usually they respond within the 10 business days.
Okay.
Before like you follow up with us. And once you send us those statements, they'll also help, because then there'll be more information on your file so that they can determine whether they can take the case or not.
Like I said, I have one major one. I have like 5 cases going on right now. But that one will be the most important. Like I said, I've been targeted for years by the sheriff, and now I'm being targeted by the courts. And I don't want to overwhelm anyone, even though they're overwhelming me.
Okay. Yeah, I am going to put all that on your file.
Okay.
Just send us the statement, and once I get the statement, I'll also put it on your file, and then the attorneys will be able to review it, and then the next step will be either, depending on the case, if they can take it or not, they'll schedule a consultation, and we'll be able to talk to them.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too. Well, maybe the nation of frickin' Islam's gonna help me. Maybe. Well, I think I've had another 3 hours of this shit. It's wild. This is wild. What did that idiot say before? Oh, that Bing Bong. Pulitzer Prize winning? Ha ha ha! It's true. Absolutely true. It's Kat McGrory from Tampa Bay Times. Pulitzer Prize was winning. It's called Targeted. A series of articles. Tampa Bay Times. They went nationwide. Institute of Justice was involved in it. I got excluded from that. Went all the way to federal court. So it's been nationwide news. We don't. Yeah, right. You fucking normie on the other side of the screen. This couldn't happen. This is for other people. We're gonna be under Islam right now. I'm gonna get out of here. Can anyone give me money for a pizza? I got $10. $10. That person's pulling my leg, I guess. If you guys give me money for a pizza, that'd be great. I've been out in the streets 7 years now. Need some help. I want to go bike ride. I want to do something for my health today. Something fun. Can't do that. Can't do that around here. And I watch. There's another channel I watch all the time, and they make fun of this guy's look. He's telling you, like, end of the world shit. You don't like your tattoos. What's up with your tattoos? They come in here. I'm talking about America is destroyed. It's broken. There's nothing left of it. We don't like your eyeshadow. Man, if you're here, you got a big problem. I'm trying to solve it. You guys ain't gonna know what to do. Well, most of you guys couldn't freaking walk 10 steps in my shoes. It's gonna happen to you. You're gonna be screwed. You're already screwed. You don't even know it. Get out of here. I got out of the cigarette. I need like $40 more for a pizza. I think. I want pizza and wings. Bullshit. These people, these are like CIA people or just stalkers or shit. They're just trying to bully me. But I'm being bullied enough. It doesn't matter. It's in very poor taste. What they want you to do, they want you to off yourself. And then you're going to have to get in the boxcars. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. Yes, and this YouTube thing, it's a bullying platform. They're manipulating numbers. They got me for being not advertiser friendly the other day. I didn't swear. I didn't do anything. Because they don't want to pay you. And in their terms of service, you get all these a-holes in here. With these fake bot accounts and shit. People violate terms of service and community guidelines. They don't care. It's a bullying platform. Keep pausing. I mean, it looks like it's the summer is almost over. And then it's going to get cold. It's going to be winter. And I can't go back to Florida. Unless I turn myself in. Let the Pasco sheriffs kill me. Like they've been trying to do for years. Right now it's Allah. Islamic relations can help me out. Islamic relations. What else do we have? I can make one more call. Catholic Legal Services. It's all about immigration and ICE and shit. Look, community law program. I guess I'll make one more call. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Welcome back. Very, very much appreciated. Oh, pro bono representation. Do it now and change a life. Alright, let's call these people. Not much else to do around here. And then I gotta spend all my time. I gotta file a police report. I gotta file 2 police reports online. I gotta file the financial thing. Then I gotta do a statement to these people. I should have a lawyer doing this for me. No, you don't get a lawyer. You don't get freaking legal counsel. You have the right to an attorney. It's not true. It's simply not true. Law program. I got books. I got books like this full. And nothing's gonna get better. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. I think pizza's paid for. Thank you. I'm gonna call them and order a pizza. Very, very much appreciated. Thank you guys.
My name is Brian. How may I help you today?
Hi, Brian. I need some legal help with a I got a bunch of cases going on, but primarily a criminal case. I was hoping.
We don't do any criminal law.
Here's my problem.
If it's defense, I can give you the number for the public defender.
Yeah, they won't. They basically banned me. They've claimed an ethical conflict with me. I've been stuck. They like put me in this basically this limbo where I've been denied the public defender. And then I call the judges. They say you got to get legal advice from somebody, and it's only in house with the public defender. And they won't talk to me.
Unfortunately, I don't know about anybody in legal services that does any criminal law.
Right. I keep getting referred to legal services by these judges and the prosecutor and all this, and they know damn well that nobody's gonna do criminal law. I won't.
Yeah, I'm not aware of anybody.
Yeah. I'm on my own. I've been forced to appear pro se, but I can't file anything, and I gotta pay it. They want me to pay a lawyer. They say I gotta have a bar card member, but I don't have any money because I'm indigent, and they won't give me a free attorney. So.
Huh.
It's a
Did
nightmare.
the defender's office have any recommendations?
They won't even speak to me. They hang up immediately.
Oh, they won't even give you recommendations to maybe where else you could find.
I guess you know what. I guess I can call them, but I don't think they'll. I don't. The last time I talked to them was a couple months ago. They wouldn't do anything. They wouldn't even talk to me.
Have you tried the Clearwater bar or the Florida bar? They may know.
Yeah, I called the.
Normally they.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I called the Florida bar, and they gave me a couple referrals, and these people ran from me. Like I'm highly radioactive, for some reason.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't have any other suggestions.
All right.
We just do that.
All right. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Let's call the public defender's office. Sarah Molo. 20 more bucks so we get some pizza. So let's keep calling till we get till it's 5 or pizza time. Defender. Wait, 47. And that there's so much going on. So much. I haven't had pizza.
Thank you for calling Sarah Malo, Public Defender of the 6th Judicial Circuit, Newport Richey office. If you know your party's extension, you may enter it now. For quality purposes, your call may be monitored. You have reached us during non-business hours. Please call back on our next business day or remain on the line to leave us a voicemail. Thank you.
No, nobody works.
The Public Defender office is currently closed. Office hours are 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday through Friday, and we are...
Bullshit. It's absolute bullshit. They need justice. Low-income communities of color. I'm a person of color. We're just more equal society, truly come through grassroots. Community justice. How do we get a hold of them? Disability rights of Florida. Yeah, I've heard horror stories about them. Oh, Florida Justice Institute. Let's try them. Justice. Florida Pizza Institute. Where's your fucking phone number? $305. This is my entire life. This. Oh, it's blood.
You have reached the Florida Justice Institute. Para español, oprime el número 3. If you know your party's extension, please dial it now. If you would like the company directory, please dial the pound key. For all other matters, please dial 2281. Thank you for calling the Florida Justice Institute.
Transferring to the operator.
Hello, thank you for calling the Florida Justice Institute. Olivia speaking.
Hi, Olivia. My name's Tasha. I got your number off the Florida bar. I'm having some problems with a trial and some a lot of civil rights violations. I was hoping you could help.
Yeah, so we're an organization that helps people who are currently incarcerated and having their rights violated. Does that sound like your situation?
Yeah, I'm not currently incarcerated, but I have a warrant for my arrest now. I was incarcerated for 3 weeks for being the victim of a crime.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Yeah, so I mean, unless what you're calling about has to do with like the conditions of your incarcerated confinement, there's nothing that we can really help with, like a criminal case or appeals or anything of that nature.
Well, I definitely had some problems with that. I got hurt there, and they put me in the wrong section too.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you want to send us something on the website about what happened to you while you were incarcerated, you're more than welcome to do that.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to.
Okay, yeah. So when you're ready, I'll go ahead and give you the website address.
Yeah, please.
Okay. FJ.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Good luck. Good luck. There's no luck out here. It's not luck. Somebody fucking help. Yeah, none of these people are gonna help. They will not help. Yeah, so we've been on this whole day. Let me get out of here. Maybe we'll come back later. I'm not going for a bike ride today. I'm gonna order some pizza. I'll sit outside or something. They're gonna hit my PayPal. I will. I'm gonna have to start, man. I gotta fill out all these forms, and I gotta do a GoFundMe for $50,000 to get a lawyer that should be free on a case that's 147 weeks and 3 hours and 22 minutes long now. For coming. Please share it out. Please share it out. My videos. Like this up, share it out. Thank you.